Hello lovely crafters, welcome back to my channel. I know it's still November, but I can't wait to make something Christmassy. So let's make a DIY Barbie gingerbread house. So this is what we're going to make. First, I'd like you to understand the pattern. Screenshot it. No, you don't need any printable pattern to draw this. Now let's start with the house facade. Don't forget to use a tool to draw a perfect half circle. Now, I'm going to make a door that looks like a chocolate bar. Cut another cardboard into little pieces like this. And then glue them together. You can use whether white glue or hot glue. Let's paint it brown. Next, let's do the windows. You can use whether plastic sheet or acrylic sheet. You can find it easily online. It's just acrylic sheet will cost more. And these are the window frames. Just follow this measurement. Stick the window frame into the plastic sheet using another white glue. And then let it dry. Another cardboard to create some outer frame for the door and the windows. Yes, you can make it using a tool, not a printable pattern. I don't know, I don't like printable pattern. Maybe because I don't have a printer. I always try to draw it myself. Trust me, it's much better. Now let's continue to another part of the wall. Let's start to build the house. This time I really recommend you to use hot glue. Now let's continue to the floor base. body is all done. I'm making the back side flat on purpose so you can store it easily later. Now let's continue to the roof. I'm adding a white sponge to the roof to create something that will look like a wafer sandwich. Let's do it. And my two sandwiches are done. Now let's draw a line to mark where the triangle will be. Almost done. I'm gonna put something here later. Let's try it to the house. Perfectly fit. And now let's put something to the very top of the roof. Just follow what I'm doing. Ouch! Watch out your finger while using hot glue. Decorate the window and door frames using hot glue. I would like to have a little texture on it. My idea is to make something look like a white creamy thing. Wait for it to dry and then paint it white using a teeny tiny brush. To decorate the flower box, I cut popsicle sticks into half and put them all together to look like a fence. And then fill the flower box with some leftover styrofoam. Please use the leftover one. Don't buy any new styrofoam. This will be useful later to put some unpermanent decoration like flower or maybe lollipops. Then let's continue to decorate the corner using another leftover styrofoam I found in my kitchen. Let's go to the fun part. To make colorful candies, I'm using Play-Doh. These three primary color plus white will be enough. Now I'm gonna make some brown. This is perfect for my cookie color. I'm borrowing my kids' Play-Doh tools to do the things. It's useful. Cookies ready. And as the chocolate chips, I'm choosing real coffee beans. Even though it's fake, my cookie will smell like a real coffee. we are. All my cookie and candies are done. We just have to wait for 2 days to make it harden. In 2 days, Play-Doh will turn hard like eraser or rubber. In about a week, it will be even harder like stone or clay. Yeah. Why didn't I think of that? Why didn't I use clay instead? Yeah. Maybe air dry clay is a better option. What do you think? Silly, silly, silly. Okay. My gingerbread house is done. Of course, you can think of other decoration that is better than this. Just be creative with it. The best thing about this house is, it's more than just a house. It's a spacious storage for your Barbie and stuff. So, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave your comment down below. And see you in my other video. Bye!